Hello, today I want to tell you why I absolutely love this hard case for my DJI Action 5 Pro camera. And I will turn my camera around right now, show you how it looks inside and share my overall thoughts with you. And right here I actually want to show you how this travel case looks like. Right off the bat, as you can see, we have very nice strap which can go around you. And this is one of the compartments on the side. I love that right here we can put stuff right with the zipper. So as you can see, I usually put like some of my charging cables right here. I also put some instruction manual. So something super small, something super simple, really fits right here, and zipper works perfectly. For all of these slots right here, you can also put some charging cables too. Like for example, right here I have my Ulanzi light charger, and I really love to put it right here so I know where it is. And I can also put for my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera right here, but this is a little bit too big, so that's why I like to keep them separate and put this one under the zipper. So yeah, right here you have a spot where you can put something through. And right here I actually love to use it for CD cards or just adapter for CD cards. And as you can see right here in the main compartment, this part for my camera fits perfectly. I can also put all of the like little adapters, all of the extra things I need right there. Here's my extension rod too. I can put it like right there and move all of these guys right here for extra storage space. I also love that here I can put my camera, and here I have the pouch for extra batteries, as you can see. And this part I also like to use for lenses too. And I can also put my main light right here separate, or I can just put it right now here. So yeah, overall, as you can see, all of the compartments really designed for Action Pro cameras, and I believe you can also use it for Action 3 and Action 4, and hopefully you can be able to use it for Action 6 when it comes very soon. And overall I have been very happy with this case. I also love the idea that all of my gear is safe and protected no matter where I'm going. It's very heavy duty. I like that it's not very easy to like go through, or you can see it's very hardcore case right there. Zippers works fine, and I also love this handle on the top. So yeah, if you wish to protect all of your gear for your Action Pro cameras from DJI, highly recommend to check this case out. Thanks for watching.